Let me tell you about all the things I love about this sofa chair. For one, it's just really comfortable. That's what you're looking for in a sofa chair. It's football season right now, so on the weekends I spend a lot of time sitting on this sofa. It's just really nice. So this middle part opens up so you can put your remote controls in there. It does have a couple cup holders. The back here actually comes out so you can pull it out to adjust the headrest, which I really like. So kind of depending on the angle you're at, usually if I go back really far, I like to pull this out a little bit up to keep my head up so I can still watch TV. But when I'm sitting like this, I kind of like it back more. So it's really nice that you can pop this out, and then when you're done, you can pull it out a little bit more and then push it all the way back in. I do want to mention that this was sent to me so I could test it out and make this video. I've been on a handful of other similar recliner sofas, and one of the things that sets this apart that I really like is on the side it has some ports for USB cables. So a lot of times when I'm watching football, I'll plug in my phone and I'm checking the scores for the other games or things like that. It's really nice. You can charge your tablet or your phone while you're sitting or watching. But honestly, I think the thing I like about it the most is just how well it reclines. So it reclines with an electric motor, but what's really cool about how this reclines is you can see just how far back it goes. So I don't know if you can see this in the video, but it elevates your legs slightly above the rest of your body. That's really good for circulation. And honestly, it's just really comfortable. There have been a few times where I just like to take a nap on this. And I was sick not too long ago, so I quarantined myself. I slept on this. And while I wouldn't take it over a bed, it was really comfortable. As far as putting this together goes, it arrived in 4 different packages. It was fairly simple to put together, but it did take me quite a while, probably around an hour to an hour and a half. I can't remember because I was watching football and not really focused on putting this together, but it comes with good instructions, really simple. If you're looking for something that's just insanely comfortable, really nice, I highly recommend this sofa.